Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so we do have a spoiler that has been revealed. Well, it's actually just a brand spoiler. So the actual product is not specified yet, but this is going to be for the BoxyCharm, the July box. That's right, this is for the July box. There will be an LMS product in it, and again, the product has not been specified. So as soon as they do that, I will be giving you guys the info as soon as they release it. So always make sure your bell is on. That way you are notified of every time I upload a video. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also guys, rate the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. Very hurtful, but still understandable. Just as long as YouTube sees that you're watching my videos. And also one more tiny favor before you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.